Good morning, students. I hope that you are all fine. Today, in this video, I am going to explain you some of the important concept of chapter database management. So let's move toward the list of the topics we are going to discuss in this video. What is keys? An attribute or set of attributes that uniquely identify each tuples in a relation is called keys. Types of keys in SQL. Keys are of following types: primary key, candidate key, alternate key, foreign key. What is primary key? This key ensures that data entered in a table column is unique across the entire column. Primary key is used to reduce data redundancy. See, in the given table student, we cannot put duplicate value in column roll number. So in table student roll number is a primary key because we cannot put duplicate value in the column roll number. What is candidate key? A candidate key is a key that is capable of becoming primary key. All attribute combination inside a relation that can serve as a primary key are called candidate keys. In the table given above, student ID, roll number and email both have unique value for each row. So both are candidates to become primary key. Therefore, in the given table, student ID, roll number and emails are candidate key because we cannot put duplicate value in these three columns. So student ID, roll number and emails are candidate keys because in these three columns we cannot put duplicate value. What is alternate key? A candidate key that is not primary key are called alternate key. See, in the table given above, student ID, roll number and email both have unique value for each row. So both are candidates to become primary key. Therefore, student ID, roll number and email are candidate keys. So in this table, we cannot put duplicate values in column student ID, roll number and email. So all these three columns are candidate keys. Out of these three columns, we can place primary key in any one column and the remaining two columns will become alternate key. So if we place primary key in student STUID column, then roll number and email will become alternate key. What is foreign key? A foreign key is a non-key attribute whose values are derived from primary key of some other table. So dear student, a foreign key is a non-key attribute whose values are derived from primary key of some other table. Thank you. Have a nice day.